turn.
Once a year, lawyers don their wigs, prison officers appear in full uniform, and cameras are allowed inside the court grounds. It can only mean one thing: the opening of the legal year. During the ceremony, the Chief Justice praised the work the legal profession does in Gibraltar and spoke of the many cases that are handled each year, pointing to over 2,800 cases starting at the Magistrates' Court. Anthony Dudley said the cost of the courts to the taxpayer last year was £2.8 million, but said justice goes well beyond numbers and explained that properly funded courts are a benefit to democracy, its citizens and business. The Chief Justice said there had been funding and vacancy issues, highlighting an outstanding position still to be filled 18 months later. Speaking after the ceremony, Chair of the Law Council Emma Lejeune told GBC it had been a busy year and said the profession was becoming more diverse on the Rock.
I'd have liked to see a lot more senior women in high positions, but that's something that's slowly changing. And I think with raising awareness and motivating people and telling them that there are opportunities and flexibility is afforded to them, we can help encourage that.
In recent years, the legal profession here has been the subject of regulation in a more official way. How has that changed things?
It's changed the playing field. I mean, we were very much a self-regulated profession, and now we report to a regulator. It's made us operate to a higher standard. There are bars and there are goalposts that we have to achieve. But I think that's made us much stronger as a profession. It's definitely made us more comparable to international jurisdictions that already had regulators. And I think it helps strengthen business and our business proposition and protect our customers as well.
The Attorney General Michael Llamas said the main focus of the year ahead would be the treaty. He said it would contain provisions on law enforcement and judicial cooperation, such as warrant-based extradition arrangements and exchange of information,
Which will help and contribute in making Gibraltar a secure and safe place to live in. We need to have gateways and mechanisms that will allow the police and the judicial authorities to cooperate so that criminals don't run from one place to the other.
And more locally, how is judicial independence in such a small jurisdiction ensured where legal, political and business circles overlap?
Well, I don't think there are any complaints about the independence of the judiciary in Gibraltar. I think we've been very mature about that since ever, I would say. I think the courts are the courts and they operate completely independently from government and other parts of the executive. So I don't think there's an issue at all with independence of the judiciary, which is very strong and has a very well-established tradition here in Gibraltar.
And just looking ahead, what's coming up this year in the legal system?
That will require a tremendous amount of work to be done. We're going to have to change a lot of our domestic legislation, immigration laws, custom laws. So that's a massive piece of work. We expect the treaty to enter into force during the course of next year, and then that's going to be a major change in the legal landscape in Gibraltar.
Another busy year ahead.
As usual.